what we equip our learners with, the knowledge, the skills, the attitudes that we give them.
Is sustainability a luxury when we talk about extreme poverty?
If you're educating for humanity and then after you leave the education system, our economic system is still very predatory.
But we can start by sharing what we have done.
ESD should be imparted to people not just as a body of knowledge, but as an approach to make changes.
選択が意識の問題なので、それはすごく重要だと思うんですよね。
We need to find more local solutions in the community, and schools are an integral part of that community.
Mais l'impact massif et ponctuel sur le moyen terme ou le plus court terme, c'est la communauté qui peut l'apporter.
Porque es importante la comunidad para obtener un resultado efectivo. La escuela sola no puede trabajar en función del cumplimiento exitoso de todas las metas que nos proponemos.
So we wanted to highlight the importance of non-formal education and how it achieves sustainable development, especially in countries that are in conflict.
All 17 of them put together are not just opportunities, but there are challenges for governments to reach them also.
Y es un desafío precisamente por los compromisos que deben asumir las naciones en su retórica de decisión política, práctica.
The future of ESD is quite the critical for the future of SDGs as a whole.
The challenge here is how do we get ESD into the mainstream?
But with every challenge comes an opportunity.
I think that starting from there, we can really do a great work together today.
There is no sound, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. ESD Sustainable Development for the Future Generation, Sustainable Development Education. The Certain of the World UNESCO for Development ESD program design and development for supported by Microsoft Education. And the next generation, how can implement and the development team skill, now the Microsoft Education and Office 365 supported by the World Program. Welcome, Rodendro ma'am, today's guest trainer, and last day. She will now start draw presentation. It is your general ideas. Rodendro ma'am is a very interesting design PowerPoint using the tools and design announcements and other colors and everything. So welcome to ma'am, welcome to today's session, Southeast Computer Club and Southeast University. Please start your session.
Okay, thank you, Naim. Hello, friend. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Roro. I come from Indonesia.
Stop your camera.
Okay.
Close your camera. Only ma'am close open camera. But your camera.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you clearly. Continue.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I share my PowerPoint. This is my PowerPoint and this is ribbon. This is file, home, insert, design. If we click design, so we can find the slide size. In slide size, you can click the slide size and you can click custom slide size. So if you want to make certificate, you can choose this in 11. and 7 here. Okay, you can click OK, maximize, and this is for the certificate, like this. If you want to make post for Instagram, you can click design. After that, you can click slide size and custom slide size, and you can take it 10 in, and this is 10 in. You can click OK, maximize, and this is for Instagram, like this. So I use it for my Instagram. This is a square, you know. So we can make design on Instagram with the size square. We can delete it, and we can delete it too. And after that, we can draw everything here. We can use insert, and we can use shape. Okay, we can use oval to make everything. Okay, we can make oval like this. Okay, and make it green. Shape outline, no outline. Copy this, paste, and turn it. Okay, shape fill, more fill color, more dark. Okay, copy. Okay. I think all of you must mute
Please,
yourself.
everyone, close your microphone.
Okay, thank you. After
On
that,
the
we can
presenter,
click.
open her microphone and camera. But you all participant, please, microphone open. Close. Sorry.
Okay. After you can click all of this, you can click group. Okay. Make it here, and you can click insert, shape.
Okay.
You can click this. This is moon, but we can make it thinner. Click home and click the color, draw and shape fill, no outline. Okay, copy, paste. You can turn it. Make it little and turn. Like this, copy, paste. You can turn. Like this. Okay, you can turn. Copy, paste. You can turn. Paste. Okay. Copy, paste. You can turn. Okay. Copy, paste. You can turn. Make it little. Okay. Make it little. You can take it here. Paste. Okay. Copy, paste. Then okay. You can click this and copy, paste. You can click, you can take it here. Okay. Copy, paste. We can take it here. Paste. Take it here. Paste. Take it here. We can turn it like this. Paste. Okay. We can take it here, take it here. We can turn it. And we can take here like this. Okay. Okay, we can click in new slide. Okay, we can delete it. Okay, you can click insert, save. You can choose this. Okay, you can click color, save fill, no outline. After that, you can click insert, save. You can choose moon. Okay, save outline, no outline. Okay. We can make it, okay, like this. Okay, copy, paste, then then copy, paste, then okay, this, and this, and we click group. Okay, after that you can copy, paste, then take it here, copy, paste, then take it here, then take it here, copy, paste, then, and we take it here. After that, we Control A and make it in group. Okay, we can make it more little. Okay, Control V. Okay, we can turn. We can turn. Okay, we can click insert, save. Okay, save field. This is no outline. Copy, paste, then. Oh no. Sorry. Can take here. Copy, paste, then. Copy, paste, take it here. Copy, paste, then. Copy, paste. Oh, sorry. Then get here. Copy, paste. Then okay, copy, paste, and take it here. After that, we can click this. Save outline, we can choose the line. Okay, make it in group, format, and group. Okay, make it tidy. Okay, after that you can copy this, paste, make it more little, and then. Okay, fill the color. Okay, copy, paste, we can turn more little, take it the color. Okay, copy, paste, make it little, and take the color yellow. Okay, we click this, and this group. Okay, we can make it little. So we make the lotus flower. Okay, we can take it here. Make it bigger. Then copy, paste, take it here. Paste, we can take it here. Paste, take it here. Okay, and we click design, format background, and solid fill, we can click blue. Okay, so the lotus and the lake. Okay. If you want, you can change the color of the left with this, or we can change more fill color and make it like that. Okay, like this, and we can make a flower here or another place. Okay, we can click new slide. We can click insert, shape, moon. We can take it here. Green, shape outline, no outline. Terus, we can copy this and paste the done. Done. Okay, copy, paste, done. Copy, paste, done. Okay, we can click this and make it in group, format group. Okay, after that, we can, oh sorry. Okay, and we can make it little like this. Okay, we can click insert, shape, moon. Okay, green, insert, shape. We can change this. Okay, then shape fill. Okay, no outline. Copy, paste. Okay, Control A and make it in group. After that, we can click copy, paste, take it here. Copy, paste, take it here. And make it more little. Take it here. Okay. We can make it more little. And take it here. Okay. This is the leaf with this shape. And this is leaf too. Lotus leaf. And this is grass and flower. This is lotus flower and this is grass flower. Okay. We can click new slide. We can click insert, shape. We can click her We can take the color red, or we can click gradient like this, and we can choose the gradient with red. Okay, like this. And set fill, we can choose red. Okay, we can click copy paste. Then okay, copy paste. We can click this. Okay, copy paste. And okay. We can click insert, save. This is okay. Yellow. Okay, no outline. Control A. Oh, no. Gradient. Gradient. And we can choose yellow. Okay. We can click Control A, and after that, click Format and Group. Okay. You can see. Okay, we can click Insert, Save, Moon, like this. Take the color green. Save outline, no outline. Okay, we can click Insert, Save, File, take it here. Take the color green. Save outline, no outline. Click Insert, Save, Moon. Okay. Copy paste. Okay. Then copy paste. Take it here. Okay. You can click this. Click and format group. Okay. If in group you can make it more little, and we can click done. Take it here. Okay. Copy paste. You can turn it. Oh no, sorry. Okay. Control A and make it in group. So we can copy this. Paste. Okay. And make it more little. We can take it here. Okay. Okay, and we can click the background. Solid fill, and we can choose this. Okay. We can make it the background too for this, like this. Okay, it's good, right? Okay, we can click new slide. We can delete it, and you can see my Instagram. My Instagram is Okay.
বাহিরে কিবোর্ডে লেখা হয় বাহিরে কিবোর্ডে লেখা হয়
In my Instagram, you can see a lot of picture. Okay, we can try to make cactus. Right. Okay, this is I click shape moon like this. Take the color green. Be faster. Okay. Okay, we can copy faster. Then okay, be faster. Then okay, be faster. Okay. After that, we can click Control A and click Format Group. Okay, we can like this. And after that, we can click Insert, Save, Profile, more color, more color, standard. We can click this. Okay. Take it here. Copy paste. Take it here. Copy paste. Copy paste. Copy paste. Okay. Make it in group and make it little. Okay, take it here. Okay, copy paste. Take it here, copy paste. Take it here, copy paste. Take it here, paste. Take it here, paste. Sorry. Take it here. Paste. Take it here, copy paste. Paste again, and we can click Control A and make it in group. Click Format and make it in group. Okay. You can make it more little like this or bigger. Okay. We can copy paste. I pick the color. Yes. More fill color. or dark. Okay.
What is it? Okay.
Okay, take the color and make it more little. Can take it here in the top. Okay, Control A and make it in group. After that, we copy paste more little. More little. Okay, and we make the stone shape. Okay, the color is gray and click gradient. Okay, no outline. Here. Faster. So this is the stone around the cactus. Okay, and solid fill. Okay, this is okay. Any question? Any question?
Wonderful session. We have learned more. Interactive, many flower. Very, very nice.
Thank you, Nasmol. Okay, we can make a bird. We can click new slide and click this and delete it. We can click insert, shape, moon. Turn it. Okay, like this. Okay, click insert, shape. Okay. Insert, shape. Okay, click insert, shape, triangle. Okay, we can turn it. Okay, click this and no outline. After that, we can click insert, shape, heart. More fill color, make it more dark. Okay. Okay. We can click Control A and group. Okay. After that, we can make it more little. Copy, paste. Okay. And after that, we can click Insert Shape. Black, no outline. Insert. Rectangle. Okay. Get in group. Insert, set. Okay, we can click this and make it in group. After that, we can more little, copy, paste, and the bird is singing. Is it nice? Naim, is it nice, Naim?
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yes. It's nice or not?
Yes, nice. Very nice.
Okay. So you can find another picture in my Instagram.
I suggest please
and you
you
can
take
learn
up the
here.
photo. Enter your photo. Draw your photo. Your last draw. Place your photo.
Okay, you follow me.
How can draw my photo in PowerPoint using PowerPoint?
Oh, your photo. Okay. You can send your picture and my WhatsApp. Send your picture and my WhatsApp.
Okay, I also sent.
Okay. Insert new slide.
Ma'am, please go to WhatsApp group. Okay. In my photo WhatsApp group.
Yes, delay in my WhatsApp delay. Why?
No. Go to MIE Office 365. Yes. Click on.
Yes.
Click this. Okay.
Yes.
This is my photos.
Oh, sorry.
Please download.
Yes,
After
download.
Download after insert
after
my
that.
photo. Insert my photo.
Yes. Okay, you can take it here. The picture. Like you see. After that, we can click insert, save. insert shape, moon, I do it with the step.
Play after your session only 10 minutes, then follows. And next, guesting are waiting for meeting. Okay, ma'am?
Okay. We can click save. We can click trapezium. We can turn. Okay. Like this. We must do it step by step. So we can find the right step for every part of the face, like this. And after that we can make it in group and make the color. Okay, like you can see in my YouTube. Okay, you can click the videos, and this is I draw cactus, draw teapot, make story from PowerPoint on side, and another you can see this pine tree, and draw Anthony Salsito. Okay, first I take the picture of Anthony Salsito and make the face, make the hair. Okay, you can see the step in my YouTube. Raden Roro Martinez. Okay, you can see this the step by step how I draw Anthony Salsito in PowerPoint. And another step you can find in my channel. Okay, I think it's enough because I'm not in good condition. I have cough and influenza, so sorry. Okay, can I finish my session? Can I finish my session, Naim?
Okay.
Yes, yes. Interesting.
Thank you, ma'am, for your interesting session. Every participant very enjoyed. Thank you for Southeast Computer Club and Southeast University. After next time, long time session, I will invite to you.
Okay, see you.
Okay, welcome, ma'am. And next guest in a last session, Lord Shima Mukti sir, Microsoft Innovative Expert from Bengaluru, India. Please open your microphone and camera, sir.
Thank you very much. Hope you can see me.
Please open your camera.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Before I start, thanks to previous presenter, she did a fantastic job. Hats off to her for her patience in making minute designs. So that shows how creative she is and how a PowerPoint can be used in such a creative manner. So thanks to ma'am. And before I start, I would like to know how many minutes I will have for this session. Mr. Naim?
Yes.
So what is my time? Like how many minutes I will get?
A time your long time. After no session, you have last dinner. Yes.
Fine. So being a last trainer, I don't know whether it is good to talk for long. I will try to make it as short as possible.
Sir, one question. My 147 computer science and engineering background student. Do you not have about Office 365 and Microsoft Education program? How to use your life and how can benefit and to my Microsoft? How can support it for your student life and the others job life? Please introduction and learn your session. And
sure.
how can learning the Microsoft education system and using the multiple application in the education system in your country and in your school and university. Please.
Sure.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, as I already mentioned in our introductory session, Microsoft has played a major role, not only during the pandemics, even much before that, we have been using the Microsoft tools in various capacities. But in the last 2 years, the entire school, we were able to transfer to online platform without much of time, and the entire transition was very smooth. And all the students from nursery to grade 10 were on the Teams platform. And in fact, even now they are on our Teams platform, and we are continuing with the hybrid mode of teaching learning. So that way, Microsoft is always far ahead of providing the required tools and technologies for the educators. The kind of options we get, the features we get in Teams itself, I don't think we need to look at any other apps to use. So we get anything and everything to run a normal classroom scenario in the Teams platform itself. So, but today I would like to take you all through another interesting platform. So let me share my screen and then I will talk about that. So I hope my presentation is visible. Can you see my presentation?
Okay, I see your presentation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So today I would like to introduce you all to a very beautiful platform, a Backlit. It is once again a product of Microsoft Teams. So it is a free platform which we as educators and also the students can use it to save and organize and present our content from across the web. So how Backlit makes our sharing of content fun and engaging is, usually if you create a Word document, this is how it looks, like full of links, and it's not very attractive. Whereas the same collection, if you try to create using Backlit, so this is how the content is organized in Backlit with a visually engaging and fun way. So that is where the Backlit has become a very used tool across education sector. So now let us understand what is a Backlit is. Backlit, as I already said, it is completely free, not just today, it's going to be free forever for both educators and students. When they say free, usually we'll have certain limitations on the usage part, but with Backlit, there is no such restriction. You will have unlimited access to Backlit features. Any new features added, you will be able to use it. So it's not like only you will have certain features available and for any other new features you have to pay and upgrade. Nothing as such. So absolutely, there is no limit on the number of items or the number of collaborators that we can have in our Backlit. And most importantly, when we use this with the students, we need to be very cautious about the safety of our learners. So Backlit is compliant of all the international standards when it comes to the safety of our students. So let me explain Backlit in 5 simple steps. Number 1, we can use Backlit to save anything across the web. For example, you find some interesting article or a video or a blog post or some tweets or documents or whatnot on the web. So simply you can just bookmark them and collect and put it into your Backlit just in 2 simple clicks. Second, you can organize and curate all the collections that you've done, like how you add images, videos, links, and text, and many more to your Backlit. It is also important to organize this collection in such a way that at any point of time, you should be able to use it in a very quick and easily accessible. So that feature is also available with the Backlit. So you can easily organize and curate your content using Backlit. And most importantly, in the 21st century, alone I can do little, but whereas when I work together with a team, we can do more. So in order to work together in team, collaboration plays a major role. So using Backlit, we can invite collaborators to our collection, and they can also share their ideas, inspiration, knowledge to the topic, whatever we want to work together. Then the 4th and the final point which I want to talk about Backlit is, once you are collected and curated and also collaborated with other educators, you can present it and share it across the globe using different layouts, which are very beautiful and engaging. And coming to the integration part of Backlit, as you can see the apps on the slide, it is 100% seamless and productive experience we can find on Backlit. And also we can integrate the Backlit app with all our favorite apps and platforms. It could be from Microsoft Teams to Flipgrid to OneNote to Google and any other such apps you can integrate with Backlit. So these are the 4 key features of Backlit. As I already said, we can collaborate with others on our collection, especially it is for a group projects, like when the students are working in projects. So they can use Backlit to work together. And also we can make our collection copyable, meaning whatever collections I have made, I can allow other users to copy and edit and share it to their students or to other people. And most importantly, Backlit came with the immersive reader. So it is very great for inclusive and equity among the students. And another important feature of Backlit is we can embed any Backlit collection into our blogs, website, or any other platforms we can take it. Now let us understand how we can use Backlit. So students as well as teachers both together can use Backlit to showcase the work in a much engaging way. It also enables students in enhancing their 21st century skills like collaboration, critical thinking, communication, creativity, and curation. Students can use this Backlit to complete their assignment, enhance their digital research, and even create visual portfolios that showcase their best moments and accomplishments from their time at school till the degree or college level. Backlit is not only available in the web portal, it is also available in the form of an app. We can download this app on iOS as well as an Android platform. So again, the app also free to download and use. Now let's get started by signing up into the Backlit. So we need to go to Backlit. That is the URL. And then we can sign in. Once you sign in, you can create your amazing collections. And finally, we can share it with other students, educators, or general public. Now, let us see how we can sign up to Backlit portal. I will take you through a browser. Let me share my screen once again. So this time I will show you how we can.
Please, you can share your screen.
Yeah, I'm sharing. So hope you can see my screen now.
Yes, I see your screen.
So the URL we have to type is www.backlit.com. So this is the home page of Backlit portal. If you are new to Backlit, you can click on sign up. If you already have an account, you can just log in. Whereas here we have an option to enter code. Generally, this we use if you want our students to join our Backlit collection. But before that, assuming that you are new to Backlit, let me show how you can create your account. So you can click on sign up first. And here you have multiple options to sign up. What I recommend you all here is, since you are all using Microsoft Office 365, it's better to continue with Microsoft so that the same login ID what you are using for your Teams and other Microsoft tools, the same thing can be used here. So click on continue with Microsoft, and then just give me a minute, it's loading. So here you have to sign in with your ID, whatever the ID you are already having. And if you click next, it will ask for the password. So on few more steps, like you have to select whether you're a student or an educator. So depending on the role, you can choose either an educator or a student. And then you have to provide your date of birth and other few information so that it will personalize your profile. So once you are ready, you will be able to log into your Backlit account and start using. So since I already have an account, I'm not going to create it now. Instead, what I will do here is, when I go to backlit.com, I will directly click on login because I have my account already. So I need not to create. So click on login. So again, my account is also with Microsoft. So I can click on this, or I can directly enter my username and password. So this is how I enter my username and password. And click on login. So since my username and password is correct, now I am in my Backlit account. Just to brief you about the options which you have, on 3 dots here on the right hand corner, if you click, you can go to account settings and you can use how you want to manage your account. So since it is an education account, that is enabled. Suppose if I want to download my information, I can create a JSDN file. Suppose if I want to create a PDF, I can create a PDF so that all my content, everything will be converted into the PDF format. If I don't want to continue using Backlit, I can delete at any time. So, but I don't want to miss out on Backlit, that's why I'm not deleting. Similarly, we have other options here, like if I want to change my email ID, I can enter a new email ID and its password. Similarly, to change the password, I can enter the word, the existing password here and the new password. We can also set up the notifications, like how you want to get the notifications. If I turn on all the notifications, that means everything will get. But if you want only few, let us say weekly activity roundup, if you want, you can enable that. If you don't want, you can disable this. Similarly, Backlit news, tips and stories I have enabled. If I don't want to get the notification, I can disable. Same way with the monthly newsletter and other things. So whichever you want, you can enable. Whichever you don't want, you can disable. And coming to the languages, so by default, it will be in English, but you can choose if you wish to use any other language like Hindi or other language which are available. So I am continuing with the English only, so I am not changing this setup. So these are some of the options that we can use when we click on 3 dots and account settings. So once I've done with my work, I can sign out by clicking on logout option here. But right now I don't want to log out. So let me show you the other options that are available. So now if I want to go to home, just click here so that you will come to your home screen. Now if I click on my profile picture here, so this is how my profile looks, wherein I will find all my collections, whatever collections I have made so far. Again, I will go back to my home screen. Now let me show you how you can create a new collection. For example, I want to create a new collection wherein I want to have all the information about, let us say, the basics of computer. So I will click on create new collection here. And the first step is we have to give a name or the title for our collection. So I will say basics of computer. As I am a computer teacher, I want to create a collection including all the basics. Then I can write a short description here. Let us say, so I will be talking about the physical components of computer. So I will give the description like that, such as input and output devices I want to collect. So this is the title of my collection and this is the description I have given. Now, how can we add collection to this is, you can click on a website. Let us say I found some very interesting website. Let me search for something. For example, I want to information about input devices. Let us say I found this website very interesting. Now I want to add this website to my collection. So what I will do, I will simply copy this URL from here, Control C. Now I will go to my collection and here I will paste it. So now you can see the entire web page is available here. So the advantage of doing like this is because when we are doing a research on internet, we may find lot of interesting URLs like this. So whichever you want, you can just copy and paste it here. Everything you will find it in one place. So this is what is known as a collection. Now to this collection, not only the URL, we can also add other elements. Say for example, if I want to type my own content, like I want to write some brief description about the input and output devices, I can click on add text. So now here we have lot of formatting options. So I will use H1 just to give a heading, and I will say input devices as the heading. Below this, I will write few lines about input devices, like used to give input to computer. So what I'm doing here is I'm typing my own content. I'm not taking from anywhere else. I'm typing my own content. So again, you will have other formatting options, like suppose if I want to bold this word input, I can select and click on B. It will become bold, italic, underline, like this, different formatting options we have. And also the alignments, now it is left aligned. If I want, I can center align or I can right align. Similarly, I can create a bulleted list. So in addition to this, if I want to add any other link, I can click on the link and I just need to paste the URL of the link. Then just click on add link. See, the link is added here. So like this, any link you can add it to your collection. So once I have done, click on done. So whatever the text I added now, it appears here. So before adding text, I added one URL that is here, and this is the text. Similarly, we can add image. For example, I will click on image and I click on upload an image. Assuming that I have an image in my computer, I will just go and okay, I'm just randomly selecting this image. So now the image is getting. So this is how you can add any image to your collection. Similarly, if you want to add PDF, you can click on this and you can choose the PDF. So let us say I want to add one PDF, click here. So choose the PDF which you want to add. I'm just randomly picking this PDF. I will add. So now the PDF is getting added. So like this, anything and everything about this particular topic, I can keep adding and they all will get collected here. So this is how a collections can be made and used. Now, as a teacher, I've made this collection and I want to share this with my students or with others means I can click on share option. So while sharing, by default, it will be private. That means it is not shared with anyone else. Now I click on this and I will say unlisted. That means I can copy this link now and I can share this link with my students so that only my students will be able to see this collection. But I want this collection to be available to all the people whoever is using Backlit. In that case, I need to click on this and select public. So if I make it public, that means it is available to all the users. Anyone and everyone will have access to this. But I don't want to do it like that. So I want to give it to my students alone. Therefore, I will click here and select unlisted. Now I can copy this link and I can share it with my students. And the best part is I can directly integrate with Teams. Just click on Teams. So it will open Teams app and you can choose whichever group you want to share it with. So this is how it is seamlessly integrates with Microsoft Teams as well. So it's loading, just we need to wait for some time. So once it is loaded, we will be able to share it direct to our teams. Say for example, now whichever team I want to share, I have to type the team name here and click on share, it will get shared. So, but I don't want to share it to my students right now because this just for demo purpose I'm doing. That's why I will simply close. So not only Teams, you can also share it with the Google. So that just by scanning this QR code, people will be able to see our collection. So these are the different ways in which we can share. But now I don't want to share. Again, I will go back and I will make it private. That means I'm not sharing this with anyone. So this is how we can create a basic collection in Backlit. So before I proceed further, is there any questions or any doubts? So if you have any doubts, so I would answer that and then I will go forward. Any questions?
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Yes, please.
Should I turn on my webcam?
Yeah, please.
So the first question is there any premium services for this website? And the second question is, can I use it as a virtual storage device? For example, can I save a video on here or some larger file? And my third question is, how much data can I save or store in here? Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much for the question. That's a brilliant question. Yes. So answering to all three questions together, as I already said, it is free and unlimited, meaning there is no restriction like only 10 GB of data you can store or 20 GB. There is no limitation. You can store any kind of file of any size. There is no restrictions on that. And you asked about a video. Let me show you that how we can add video. For example, now, see, these are the options which are available. Now, in addition to that, I can click on this dots. See, from here, I can add videos. Say, for example, if you have a video in your Google Drive, you can go to Google Drive and upload, or from OneDrive, or from Creative Cloud, or YouTube channels you want to add. Similarly, Flipgrid videos you can add from the Twitter. So all these options are available. So that means when I go to OneDrive, there is no restriction. You can have any type of file, whether it's a video file, presentation file, all sort of files of any size you will be able to add here. So I hope I answered your question.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Any other questions? Okay, let me take you forward. Maybe at any stage, if you have any doubts, I will answer. Now, while I was giving a presentation, I also spoke about the collaboration part of Backlit. That means as a teacher now, I'm creating this. Maybe I have my co-teacher or other subject teachers who are also experts, and I want them to collaborate to this collection. So now how can I invite a collaborator is, click on share here, and you have an option called invite collaborators. So click on this. Now, again, you can invite them in multiple ways. Simple is you can ask them to, you can copy this code and share it with them. So that when they open Backlit, as I already showed, there is an option, sign up, login, and also join code. So in the join code place, if they enter this code, they will become a part of this, what I can say, the collection. So if anyone wants to try this, please go to backlit.com and enter this code. I will show you. Let me open another browser. For example, I will open this browser. Just give me a second. I'm opening in another window. So for example, now I'm another user, like how other user can join my collection, I'm showing you. So I will go to backlit.com. And here, see, we have option enter code. So what I need to do, this code, I will copy and I will paste it here. And if I say join, so now I just need to log in once again to this, or anonymously if I want to join, or let us say I want to join by name Murthy, I can just add. So now it's just opening. So you can see now it was created by me. Now I have also joined this. So that means there are two people you can see from here. This is my original ID. This is as of now I joined as Murthy. So like this, collaborators can join and they can also add. Now let us say here I will just add one more text just to show you how the collaborator works. So I will just say testing purpose. So I have done. It is added. So now if I go to my collection, so this is my collection. See, you can see now there are again two collaborators. One is Narasimha Murthy, other one is Murthy. So now if I just refresh here, I can see whatever the updates happened. Just taking some time to load, just wait for some time. See, testing purpose was added by Murthy. So please note there are two people now in this backlit. One is Narasimha Murthy, other one is Murthy. So this was added by Murthy, whereas all other things, these things were added by Narasimha Murthy. So like this, we can see who is doing what. So this is what a collaboration means. We can do it. So I hope you understood how to collaborate. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Collaboration part, any doubts?
Any question, please?
No, sir. Thank you.
Fine, thank you.
No question.
So that is how the collaboration part works. Now, if I come back to my home, I can see the newly created basics of computer here. For that, I have added 5 items. Now, if I click on these 3 dots, from here also I can share. That means I can share with my students, or I can invite the collaborators to this collection. If I don't want this, I can just click on this and I can delete collection. But please be aware, if you delete, you cannot undo this. So that means whatever collections you have done, everything will lose. So therefore, be a little careful when you are deleting. But since this is just for demo I created, I don't mind deleting. So I will click on delete. So my collection is deleted. So this is how we can create our collections, share it with students, collaborate with other educators. And at any point, if I don't want, I can delete. So like this, there are lots and lots of collections available. It's not that we have to sit and create everything. We can go to explore. See here, you will find lot of collections available. So whichever you are interested, you can go to that and you can start exploring that collection. Just for example, now, let me go to Earth Day information and activities. So this was created by someone. So I will just open that so that I can use this with my students, or I can copy this and make some changes. So for example, now I will click on these 3 dots. I can export to PDF. So that means all the collections, what we have here, it will convert to PDF. So this is how the other people work. We can use in our classroom also. So please note why we are able to use it here is because they have made it public. If they have not made it public, then it would not be available to us. But it is a public collection. That's why we are able to use it. Again, this I found it very interesting. I want to share it with my students. So I can click on share and I can copy the link and share it with the students, or I can directly go to Teams and I can upload it onto the Teams. So like this, we can share some of the interesting collections which are already available. So just go to explore, you will find lakhs and lakhs of collections. But from here, it may be difficult to search what we want. In such case, what I can do, I can go to search and I can search what I am looking for. Let us say I am looking for some collection about online safety. So I will say online safety here. Let's enter. Search for all the collections online safety. See, these are all the collections about online safety. Now, for example, this I want to open and see whether it is of any use to me. So I will click on that and I will continue to explore. It's just loading. Just give me some time. Yeah. So if I scroll here, see, these are lots and lots of information about online safety for kids is available. So now maybe I can share it with my students. So I click on this, copy the link and share it with my students, or I can directly add to the Teams. So this is how we have tons and tons of collections of information available. We can make use of that. So this is how we can search for the collections which are already available, or we can create our own collection. Now, when you find some collections very interesting, you may have some confidence on that particular educator because that educator may be creating a very good content. Now, what we can do is we can follow such educators so that as and when they add new content, it will automatically show in our profile. Now, how to follow the other educators? For example, again, I will go to search. I will search for someone like Monica. Let us see, is there anyone by name Monica? Yeah. Say I have someone like this. So just randomly I'm doing, randomly I am trying to collect. Okay, for example, let us say this particular person I want to follow. So what I can do is a private, that is the name they have given. So just a second. So I will search for someone else. I'm not finding any interesting stuff here. For example, okay, let me go back to here. So let us search for something about Microsoft only. I will do it. Microsoft Teams, let us say. I'm just searching for some content related to Microsoft Teams. I found this collection. So this again, I only created, but now I want to search from other users. And here I will search Microsoft Teams. So these are the content we found about Microsoft Teams. So now I found this educator is doing a good job. So I want to follow them. Click on this profile name. And here you will have an option to follow. So the advantage of following this is so that whatever the updates they make, we will get notification. So from here, we can follow. Now, for example, I want you all to just give it a try. I will share the link here in the chat window. So just try clicking on that link so that you can follow that. So the link is backlit.com/@achievers hub. So just copy paste this link so that you can follow. So let me show you how to do this. So copy this link from here, from the chart window. I will go to my other browser. So I will just paste it here. So that link I pasted here. See, now it is coming here. So in order to follow, please note you have to sign in first. Otherwise, you cannot follow. Okay, click on login and log in with your ID. Let us say I will continue with Microsoft only. I will use some dummy account here just for demonstration purpose. Just give me a second. Okay, I will go with this account only. So you can enter your login ID and password. Follow this collection. So now I logged in. So please note, in order to follow any other collection, first we have to log in. So that's why I logged in. Now let me copy this link from here. And I will go to the other browser. And here I will paste it now. So now, since I already logged in, I can click on follow. So since it is already following, that's why it's showing following. Otherwise, you would have got the option follow here. For new people now, if you try, you will find the button follow. Click on that and immediately it will change to following. That means you are following. So this is one of my collection, which I've exclusively created for grade 10 computer application students of ICIC board. If any of the students who wants, it's all about Java and related concept. So they can explore this. Let us say if they click on this, all about string handling is here. So like this, they can go through the content. I also added some quiz and so many other stuff. You can explore like this by following. So once you follow the advantages, suppose in future, if I add anything new, you will get a notification. So like this, we can follow other educators across the globe, which we think they are worth following. So this is how we can follow. Now, I think it is my time to end because it's already, I crossed my time. So if you have any questions, I will take, because I don't want to take more time other than what is allotted to me. So I will stop sharing my screen. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask.
Can I have a question, sir?
Yes, please.
So, first of all, I want to thank you for giving such a good presentation on everything. And the website seems really helpful for the students and also for the teacher. Also, it is a great place for research purpose. So we can get a great source of resources from here to use on our research purposes. And secondly, so my question is, if I use the resources from this website on my presentation or somewhere else, will I get the copyright strike or anything else?
Right. That's a very good question once again. Yes, we have to be very careful about the copyright issues, especially as an educator or as a student. We are not supposed to simply copy and use without giving the credits. Yes. So usually when I'm creating a collection, as a creator, I should follow the copyrights. That is, I should not simply include all the other materials which are copyrighted. So that's the first thing I should be taking care. Now, suppose if I have not taken care and if I'm sharing this, that means I'm the one who is actually creating a problem at that level. Now, suppose you are following me and you find something which is copyrighted, then definitely you should not continue to follow me, because it doesn't mean that I have made a mistake means other people can also make mistake. But at the very first level, as you rightly mentioned, when I'm creating my collection, I should ensure that I will not add any copyrighted material to my collection. So if every educator or every student followed this, definitely will not have any copyright issues. Otherwise, if anyone knowingly or unknowingly, if you have done, it's again against law. We should not do it. Suppose if you come to know that I have included something, maybe you can inform, I can delete it, I can remove from my collection. That is how maybe we can help each other. That's again a very important question. Thanks for that question.
Thank you, sir, and thank you everyone for arranging such a wonderful session.
Thank you, sir. So within the limited time, I have just thrown some light on Backlit. In fact, it requires a lot of time to give a hands-on practice and going in detail. There are many more options actually, but just in the interest of time, I just focused on whatever the important stuff we should follow. So definitely in the coming days, if I get an opportunity, maybe we can have a very long session and we can do hands-on activities also during the session.
Yes, sir, that would be really wonderful for us students, and that would be really helpful. Hopefully we'll get a session like that someday.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. I would be more than happy to come back again and give a detailed demonstration, and we can work together hands-on one by one so that whatever I explained today, it makes sense. Otherwise, I don't think it will make any sense. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Any other questions? Anybody else having any other question?
Anyone, please, question, please.
Fine. Looks like there is no question. I hope this session was interesting, but I am extremely sorry. In the interest of time, I little rushed up and I couldn't cover every aspect of Backlit. There's a lot more things. In fact, there is a program called Backlit Student Ambassador, Educator Ambassador, lot more things which I wanted to discuss. So maybe in the coming days, if there is any other opportunities like this, definitely I will go in detail and I will help you out in making the best use of this platform. So with that note, I conclude my presentation. Thank you very much for having me here. And I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you very much.
Thank you, to conduct this session. Very interesting for Backlit. Microsoft very amazing for the digital communication platform. There is long time session, but the part. Sir, try to now the practical session how can for this session. Next time I will reflect no long time on this or 2 days session only reflect for no any other session. So thank you, sir, for this contact session. Thank you from Southeast Computer Club and Southeast University. Thank you from Bangladesh. You have conducted this session, very interesting. Nice to meet you, sir. Next time I will contact you and next session. Okay, sir. Hello.
I'm sorry, I was on mute. Thank you very much once again, sir, and looking forward for a long association with you all. Thank you and see you later. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Dear all audience and guest speakers and trainers and outside guest today complete this session. It is Microsoft Innovative Educator and Microsoft Office 365 hosted by Computer Club Southeast University. Enjoy 3 days session to complete today and this whole session. I follow Dr. Kim Mahilai. Please speak for